Kapag shopping, oh, mamili kayo kung ano ang nabili ko. Ayan ba ang nabili ko? Or, umalis ka dyan. Or, this one. Ito ba ang nabili ko? Oh. Yan na. Wala kayo dyan. Rotunda. EDSA daw. Ayan. Sabi mo, Jel? Ano, Jel? Ang sabi mo, ito class A to you?
Kasi nakita ng apartment namin sa Manila nung tinirahan namin.
Masyado raw class para sa kanya. Oh, ayan. Ang ganda naman.
At least you experience it enough, huh?
This is the reason we are here, for you to experience this.
I thought we would go to the one we had before.
Their bed is small. They're supposed to be queen and queen. But this is single, no? Full, no? Full size. Maliit ang bed nila. It's a very nice, guys, I don't think this is free, okay? Ay, hey, our principal is on the bathroom. Hey, anak, the water?
Mangoes, please.
It's expensive, ano? You wanna eat it?
Water.
No, I complimentary.
Oh, complimentary.
Complimentary. This is free, but not the mango.
Yeah, these have.
The mango, how much?
What is that?
Yeah, mango, dried mango.
$4.50.
Oh,
I don't eat that.
450 pesos.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Everything's about 150.
That's 150 outside.
Those mangoes, Ma? That's $10 American.
That's 450. See.
The most cheapest one, so-called cheap, is 190, which is Pepsi.
Oh no.
Oh, thank God Gary's not here.
Look at the view. Nahilo na ako. Oh my God. Nahilo ako. I get dizzy.
Yeah, he's wearing.
Oh, we're on the 7th floor right now.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
Sheraton, Manila Bay. Sheraton, Manila Bay, Philippines. Nasa city. Ko alam ba tag-iilaw mag-isa? Yan, ang ganda, oh. Saan ka yung flashlight nito nang matanggal? Ayan, stoplight tayo. May ilaw talaga siya. Manila sa gabi. Buti siya man hindi nagsasawa magbiyahe. Ay, nag-ilaw.
Oh, that looks so nice, Mom.
I know, that's why I'm videoing. Wait, 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 wait! That's why the walking will help. Because I thought it's far away. Where's Starbucks, Daddy? Oh. Sana ba tayo? Naglalakad lang kami. I don't know where we are, but we're just walking. Let's just continue walking. It's nice.
Where's the pool at? What? You didn't book us a place for the pool?
Nah.
That was part of the
Ang ganda, maganda to. Hindi not bad in Newport, Pasay. So pag nag-Airbnb kayo, ganito yung mga hanapin yung lugar. Kasi minsan nag-Airbnb kami, nako, kabaho. Ito yung aming Airbnb. Ang ganda ng nakuha ng pamangkin ko. Istehan namin ng 3 days until depart to America. Labi palang impressive na. Tingnan natin yung kwarto, no? Ayan yung pamilya. So, kung galing kayong probinsya at nag-grab kayo, no? Where's Gary? Maghanap kayo ng number. Ayan, number. Ito yung mga booking ng Grab. Dito sa terminal, terminal galing Bicol. Cebu Pacific. Conveyor luggage pick up. Ang dami pa namang luggage. Where's Gary? Restroom? Magbabas pa kami puntang terminal. Claim the luggages. Yung loob ng airport nila, ang ganda, oh. May little chapel. Ganda, oh. Mayroong maliit na chapel, no? Ang ganda, no? Prayer area. Very nice. Clean. Love Catanduana. Bili tayo na pasalubong. Yung mother-in-law ko mahilig sa pili. Anong meron dyan? Pili? Doon ako sa kabila. Pili sa akin. Oh, yan. Oh, ang dami yun.
Buti pinapasok na yung bourbon pass kasi lagay ko sa nalaw lang ako sa kapit.
Say na ma'am. Say na po. Dito lang may asuda lang mag-share.
Family, bye-bye na. Isa pa, kuya.
Let's go.
okasyon, kasalan. Ginagawa silang extension doon, oh. Tabing dagat. Ayun, oh, may tulay. Extension, oh, yun.
Yan mo tayo ako. Yan.
Yan. So,
Ano?
dagdagan ko pa para maanuhan yung imong binta, ano? Maliit na sanang iuwi mo.
Oh, 80.
Palakihin mo na lang ito para madagdagan ko pa. Pwede bagong bag. Yan, oh, dagdagan ko, kawawa naman siya. Ayun, na duwa niya sa kanto. Yan, duwa na yan. Yan. Dagdagan natin ng binta para konti na lang iuwi niya. Ito na lang ba? O mayroon ka pa? Oh, di marami kang ano, konti na lang iuwi mo. Napanda ko laboy. Oh, yun, sa kanto na yun. Yan, duwang yan. Yan. Yan na, 200 na, baka ko. Okay, 200. Konti na lang ang kanyang iuwi. Oh, konti na lang. Galing, di ba? Ayan. Pili tayo, pili. Ito pa, kuya. Dagdag mo pa dyan. Tsaka ito, malalaki. Dakulaan mo ng bag yan. Ayan. Tarap.
It looks good, bud.
You want some?
No,
I can't finish all that.
I'm good.
Ito ang view dito sa pier paggabi. Ganda ng ano ng ground. May mga ilaw. Nag-dinner out kami. Bakasyonista na saktan. Hospital yung bakasyonista. Napa-check up. Na-damage yung tuhod. Stop playing. Kamahal ng gulay kasi yung gulay dito import. Walang gulay dito sa local. Ubos ng bagyo. Dinala doon sa hangin. Kaya kamahal.
Bueno kayo kayo ni 1.8 lang kilo.
Yeah. Magkano ang kilo?
Sa akin ni
120. Sige. Isang kilo niyan. Yan, kuha tayo ng pangadubo. Okay. Kailangan namin ng bathroom stuff. You need water shoes? You have no? Okay, let's look on the other side. Kailangan namin ng toilet stuff. Sa BTC mismo. Tagaytay. Wala dito restaurant. Ganda ng view. Oh, ganda oh. Ay, super. Ayan ang Tagaytay. Wala dito restaurant.
It's not hard.
Really?
Wolfman Gang, that's a bad steakhouse. That's expensive.
Yeah, that's very expensive.
It's such a difference being in here. That what we ate at, $100. The first one we ate at.
The bear is sleeping,
I
look.
wasn't normally impressed.
Which one?
I was. It was good though.
Which one?
The place where we ate lunch at with everybody. I wouldn't normally impressed.
Korean barbecue.